Hi everyone, this is Hiro. Today I'm going to talk about the grounding in an easy way. The grounding is a method for aligning the body and the mind, but it's not so easy to do with the image training. But right here, with the acupuncture of light, it's much more easier and simple. Let's dive in. Anyone can do grounding easily and instantly here, even if you are not familiar with chakras or image guidance. Grounding is very important for the body and mind. But as you know, it's not so easy to do that. You need a little training, like meditation, to make it smoothly. And even if you learn to do it somewhat well, if the grounding cord, in fact, it's an invisible energy tube, is dirty and damaged, then the energy flow will not go well and sufficient. And the repairing grounding cord is much more difficult with image training. Today, we're going to include how to clean and repair the grounding cord or two. Actually, it's very easy and simple. So let's do it together. While a firm and steady grounding requires imaginary training to connect the first chakra to the inner core of the earth, right here, we simply input the word grounding in the palm of the hand, and then a thick energy tube is created to connect the first chakra to the center of the earth. Let's get to it. Okay, open your palm here and input the word grounding over here in the palm of your hand and feel the sensation like tingling or slight pain or sometimes itching. Okay, how do you feel right now? If you feel rather strong sensation, then it means that your energy flow for grounding is not proper. So do it a little more. So in this case, you better continue this work a little more until your sensation is getting eased. How do you feel right now? I think your body and mind are gradually steady and stable now. You can do your grounding in this way very simply. If you do grounding many times and try to clean your body and mind, the grounding tube will eventually become dirty or damaged. When this happens, the discharging energy will not flow to the earth properly, and steady grounding will not occur. So it is necessary to clean and repair the grounding tube from time to time. Okay, let's go on to cleaning and repairing the grounding cord right now. Okay, input the word cleaning and repairing of my recording, my grounding cord or tube in the palm of your hand. I'll connect the acupuncture of light to make it happen. If your grounding tube or cord is damaged or dirty, you may feel sore or a tingling or even cold in the palm of your hand. Okay. How do you feel right now? Tingling? A little sore? Or very cold? It depends on your situation. Okay, let's continue to clean and repair a bit more. Okay, how do you feel? Feel ease in the palm of your hand. Okay. If not, try to watch on this part again and again until you feel eased in the palm of your hand. Thank you for watching. Okay, see you next time. Have a great day. Enjoy your time.